Sa inyong lahat. And may I take this opportunity to tell you na marami po akong Vilmanians dito po sa Davao. Andiyan po sila, Willie! Ito ang isang diehard mula pa ng 9 years old ako. Kasama na kita, Willie. Willie Fernandez, dito sa Davao. Jensan yan, tiga Jensan. Nagbiyahe po dito sa Davao just to be with us. Rene, maraming salamat, Rene. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And si Ronnie Gan, who's really a very, very active Vilmanian, who is now in Oman, pero nandito at pinadala niya yung buong pamilya niya. Kay Ronnie, sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat. I love you all. Tabawenyos, hindi po namin kayo makakalimutan sa napakainit niyo pong pagtanggap sa amin. Again, to all our friends from the media, sa inyo pong lahat, mula po sa amin, palakpakan naman natin ang pasasalamat. Maraming salamat po. Don't forget, please help us, uninvited. You're all invited. Maraming salamat. Kabuhay Davao!
Everyone, that is nothing about, I was just about to ask all of you, but napaka-pogi. At sino naman dito? Ako, bata pa lang ako, pinapanood ko siya. The one and only star for all seasons. And ladies and gentlemen, unfortunately, our multimedia star cannot come here in Davao. So therefore, I invited myself as Nadine Ilustre. Proudly Davaoeña. And I hope that's alright for all of you. But kidding aside, in just a few, nasa labas na po sila. At handang-handa na po ang banda sa pag-welcome. Kaya I hope you are all ready. Later po, I know your questions have already been submitted, but you have the chance to ask them yourselves. Behind the scenes, this is Director Dan Villagaz! Hello, Direct! Good afternoon! Wave! So many people are waiting for you. Please proceed to the seat designated with your name. Direct Dan, quick message to all our Davaoeños present here today, please.
Hello, magandang hapon po. Salamat po sa pagpunta. December 25 sa Salamat po.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, the man and the mind behind the scenes. Now, let's proceed to the first treat for this afternoon. Pogi! Let's welcome Ron Angeles! There you go! Yung mga na-starstruck, kita from this Ron. Ron, welcome to Davao. Please proceed directly to your seat. Ron, quick message naman to all your fans.
Yan, hello po. Maraming salamat po at nandito po kayong lahat. Maraming salamat sa suporta at pagmamahal. God bless you po.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ron Angeles. I know you're out of breath right now. Pogi, di ba? Well, I bring you another famous actor. Ladies and gentlemen, Ketchup Eusebio. I heard, ayan na daw, ang tunay na pogi. O, diba? Welcome, Sir Ketchup. Sir, is this your first time in Davao City?
Yes.
Alright, kumusta po ang experience?
Actually, this is my second time. First time ko mga 20 years ago siguro. So, I always miss Davao. So happy to be back.
Narinig mo ba sabi nila, yan na tunay na pogi. Ang dami mong fans here, kaya pala second time mo na. Well, welcome back to Davao City, Sir Ketchup.
Thank you. Sino nasabi na yan ng tunay na pogi?
Hindi mo ba narinig?
Kiss nga natin. Sino ba yun nasabi?
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Elijah Canlas! Another handsome, fine gentleman. Please proceed to your seat. Ito, I heard, first time mo daw, Elijah, in Davao City? First time. What's the first thing you want to do here in Davao?
Alam mo, I've never tried the durian. So parang willing ako. Dahil first time sa Davao, game ako mag-durian.
Well, Elijah, you're in for a treat. Kaharap mo ang rising digital stars of Davao City. Marami silang alam na pwedeng i-recommend sa'yo right after. So please follow us later sa Gaisano Mall. Ladies and gentlemen, let's proceed to the veteran actor. This is the Tirso Cruz III.
Worthy for a veteran. Sir Tirso, thank you so much for gracing us with your presence. Sir Tirso, babati daw po ang ating mga Davaoeños.
Ayun po daw.
A round of applause, Tirso Cruz III. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I know you all have been waiting for this man, so I'm not gonna keep you from waiting. This is the Philippines original heartthrob. Ladies and gentlemen, Sir Aga Mula. Please wave. Send your loudest cheers. I see so many people waving already. Sir Aga Mula, pabati naman po to our fellow Davaoeños. Kanina pa naghihintay sa inyong lahat. Alright, Aga Mulak. And this one, ladies and gentlemen, this woman needs no introduction. She is the star for all seasons. Ladies and gentlemen, King of the South, with a resounding applause we can give her, let's welcome Vilma Santos Recto. Davaoeños, let's give a big round of applause to the powerhouse cast of The Uninvited, one of the official entries for this year's Metro Manila Film Festival in celebration of its golden anniversary. Please naman, Davaoeños, a round of applause. I know that's quite hard to give because all your hands are quite preoccupied holding your phones. But we are so grateful for the love. Please po, you may sit down. Such an honor, isang tunay na karangalan to be part of this milestone.
Has been humbling. Turning 55 with all of you has been a pleasure. I have lived longer than my father and my grandfather, and not a single trace of their sickness in my body. Kaya hindi lang ito basta party, hindi lang ito basta celebration. The day I define my own destiny.
Radio station, I guess. To all of you, muli po mula sa aming puso, maraming salamat po sa oras na binigay niyo po sa amin ngayong hapon. Alam ko na hindi po madali yung ginagawa po ninyo. It's just so unfortunate na yung mga questions ay pinasa lang. Sana nakita naman namin kung sino kayong nagtatanong. para kahit paano naman personal namin kayong mapasalamatan. Hihingi po kami ng inyong pong suporta na sana tulungan nyo naman po kami na ma-promote ang isang pelikulang pinagmamalaki po namin, yung pong Uninvited. We are inviting you all to please do watch our movie, and we are lucky na nakasama po ito sa Golden Anniversary po.